So after 4 years, I've had to replace the rear wiper. Now it's not immediately obvious how you actually change the blade. So do you go to your nearest key dealer? No. Go to your nearest motor factors, get yourself a Bosch wiper. It's not immediately obvious how you do it, but I'm going to show you now. So most wipers just sort of clip off on a sort of U-clip, but this goes against all what you think. So you've got to pull it till it cracks to the vertical horizontal position. There you go, it feels really unnatural, and then it actually just pulls off. So as you can see, the rear wiper, it's sort of shaped and it sort of fits in with the rest of the arm of the wiper, the rear wiper arm. So get yourself a Bosch rear wiper, which is virtually the same sort of moulding. So there's the old one and there's the new one, as you can see. And it's just a reversal fitting, which I'll show you now. So you basically offer it up, so it clicks into place, pull it around, clicks on, job done. And it looks exactly the same as the original OEM Kia one. So yeah, fits in really well. And if you're wondering what this is my rear cam wipe. It's got some little bristles on there, and as the wiper goes round, it just wipes the rear lens. Now, a lot of people are concerned that that lens will get scratched over time, but after 4 years, the rear lens is just as clear as the day it was new. So really recommend the rear cam wipe. It's brilliant for keeping that rear lens clean. So there you go, top tip. I get nothing for saying this, I get nothing off Bosch, but get yourself a Bosch rear wiper blade. It's an A300H and it fits perfectly the rear wiper arm on a Kia E Niro.